Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You're on S Motorsports. Today we're gonna go for a little drive. So today my plan is to go for a drive and kind of let you guys listen on the burbles that I've been working on, the burble tunes, and just kind of hear the car and see how it's running. So let's get to it. All right, so for most drives, I always data log when I'm making these changes just so I can have a record of what's going on if something funky happens. So let's get that cold start first though. Definitely not quiet. So I usually let it go into tour mode anyways, just so I don't piss off the neighbors. But if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, get more fun content like this. And very much appreciate the people that are subscribing and making comments in the channel. It's just fun, and I'm glad I can help people out if they got questions. So let's get driving. All right guys, we got the point of view camera on. I think it's a pretty good view. See how it works. And honestly, I think my next step is, right now I got the car on wide open throttle. I got it running right at basically 12.0 fuel, air to fuel ratio, which is where this car is stock, what it was commanding. But I'm gonna probably lean that out just a little bit, maybe 1 or 2%, maybe get that up to 12.25 air fuel ratio, which is still plenty safe, and see how it likes that. It seems like that's kind of the best. More like 12, closer to 12.5 is a little more power. That's kind of what it seems like what tunes I've been seeing run with. But I'm gonna try and just keep it a little bit more conservative. Maybe do that 12.25. Really hear the burbles in these trees. I have it set on super high RPM, I won't do it, but a little lower it will. I don't know why, it just puts a smile on my face. And downshifting. Yeah, it just sounds good. Once you really open it up, man, it sounds good. All right guys, we got a makeshift mount here. Sorry if it's a little vibrating because it's not a very good mount, but it'll work. So now driving out a little bit, see if we can find another spot I can hear the burbles and stuff, and maybe do a little pull. I mean, car otherwise is running pretty good. Like I said, I'm probably gonna try and get the air fuel ratio up just a little bit, make just maybe a little bit more power, as some points when I'm leaning into it, it gets pretty rich. So trying to just fine tune that air fuel ratio a little bit more through the power enrichment. Out of this guy for setting his garbage out. Like, I'm curious to stand behind this thing when you get on it, because this thing sounds like an animal. Kids messing around on a four-wheeler. Figured they'd appreciate that. I have way too much fun driving this car. It's just fun. I just gotta be careful. Yeah, I think I just gotta back off the timing maybe a couple degrees just to tone down the burbles just a little bit. Guys, thanks for joining in. I'm going to leave you with a little exhaust clip today. If you made it to the end of the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. It would be greatly appreciated. So, here's a little clip. Still sounding good, that's for sure. Lights are still working really good too.